Good morning sa tanan. Good morning everybody here in the Zoom event. Thank you for inviting me sa inyong event, sa inyong with this special event of yours. So congratulations for the team Iconic High Digital System and the worldwide and Impart team worldwide. So thank you for inviting me. Okay. So in our place here in the Philippines in Cebu. So there's no reason for me that there's no reason na I will look for another source of income. That's why maybe that time, not the age of 43, I'm pregnant, we're very poor, and the worry, how can I raise my three child already, no, the youngest, and very good news, my youngest now is 18 years old, is one of my leader here in this company, no? So that's a gift from God, no? So that's it. So after giving birth, I went back and forth in the hospital for 8 months. No cure. Just only they give me a relaxant for 8 months. But that 8 months I earned much because that I said earlier, I I I formed my network for 4 months and I earned much because Ma'am Flor Dales, the one of the Hall of Famer today, the Hall of Famer today is my one of my recruit. And fast forward after 8 months of being sick, I the only medicine I take was that our complete, no, Saluto or complete. That's very amazing and magical product of nature's way, no? The complete. And then right after I healed already, I go back to my work as a librarian. Then after during that 8 months, during that 8 months journey of my illness, I incurred many debts because we don't have money to pay the hospital bills, to buy medicines. We don't have money. So what I did before, I asked the permission from my boss because I'm working in the church, no? I'm working with my boss, the priest. So I asked a permission from my one of my boss, a priest, na father, can I request for a leave for 1 semester so that I can work out my business with AIM Alliance in Motion Global, because that time my debt is almost 800,000 pesos. Yes. So the more you are depressed, the more you are very poor, then the more you are very sick, the more you are drawn to death because of the hospital bills, no? So that's my history. Then my boss priest said, "Yes, go Nancy for one semester leave." Then that time, I was not able to for that one semester leave, I was not able to return back for my work. No, I rendered my resignation after 6 months. Then I worked out more than 100% with this company, and and it's very magical that I gained my health, and also I fully paid my 4 credit cards for almost 11 months because I hit my first million commission in this company. So that's why I'm 100% devote this mission for this company, not only for money but also for sharing the good news for good health, no? So that's my history. Then fast forward, I resigned from the company and doing full time with this company, with this Alliance in Motion Global Group of Canus, together with my family. And 2017 I was able to, para I relax with this company. I maybe I got a vacation. Then for the past 14 years working with this company, I earned accumulated income for 30 million pesos. for the small capital, so what's the purpose I tell you the how much I earned, no? Because that's the true story that our guests will believe in our company. We believe in our platform. Then there's a yes, thank you for Doc Ed for molding me, for this skills, for this giving this is company for us, all of us. No, that, just imagine that the company Doc Ed not only promoting the company here in the Philippines but also all around the world, no? Especially our guests now from Nigeria and Papua New Guinea, and that's very touching. No, it's very touching with our going back to your talent that Mr. Liam said wearing his cap, di ba? Example like, di ba, in elementary years, in college, right? We go to school to learn knowledge, to learn skills. Then we have mentors there. Our mentors, our teachers. We have different subjects there, the science, the social studies, the religion, and the mathematics and other subjects taught in the school. And of course, in the school, we have tuition fees or enrollment fees, right? The purpose of go to school to be educated, right? Then what's the purpose of to have an education? Because if we graduate, of course, we can land a job, right? Okay. The same here in Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies. We need to educate ourselves. We need to study the platform of Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies so that we can think many times to pursue this career. So this is not only a mission. This is only a career for a lifetime that not only we are benefited, and all over the world, all the clients, all the prospects, if we believe in us, no? So right here, so we have a sort of enrollment fee, our registration package. So and we have mentors. So like Coach Imcora Born, Coach Manuela Caduyak, we have mentors here to teach you the different subjects or modules in our platform. So the term here, the good thing here, we can educate each and every one of us to join our platform so that the pure vision to earn a living, to earn income. And the income here offered by Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies is not a joke. It's just a magical. It's a magical. That's for me, in my case, from a very poor family, from a husband, a fisherman, um, we can eat before a nice meal if we are invited to have to a party, no, right? Maybe you can relate with me. And now my achievements here in the company, maybe yes, we can eat whatever we want. Yeah. But the only thing is, uh the 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 greatest thing I learned in my journey here, di ba, right? I said earlier that I earned 30 million. But in my point of view, I mismanaged my funds. Yeah, I mismanaged my funds. My learnings here, if that we can earn more and a millions of pesos here, or whatever currency you have in your country, after earning, be sure you save. You save. No, that's my imparting learnings in my part. So, 'di ba, no anybody, we cannot expect COVID that time 2020 comes, right? Then the online platform emerging, no? The Gen Zs, the knows how to operate the computers, no, knows how to have the skills about computers. And now they're excelling, di ba? They're one of the top earners. If we can see, mostly our top earners are young ones, because they know how to operate, and they now know how to do business operating online. So in my case, that time 2020, I've got a savings of almost 3 million. I got a savings, but I invested my savings to have a grill house in Moalboal in Cebu City, Philippines. So I mean that business of mine was mismanaged. So I lost my 3 million. That's my savings. That's why I impart you my learnings. So don't waste your money, save your money, and continue earning with here in our platform. Okay? So and now the very good gift from God for me is my youngest son, right? Coach Angelo Oliviano joining my group as my as as I considered my youngest son and 18 years old I as my coach now, because he is my coach now in online platform. And last year he joined me, and very in my evaluation for almost a year now, my group is growing. My group is growing, and I gained back my income in Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies. So, to conclude my story, from plenty of money, mismanaged my funds, I invested my funds, and the good thing here, in Global Group of Companies is here with me. Okay, is here with me, is here with us. No? So, yeah, right. So we educate ourselves. We can educate ourselves. We need to learn more about the system of AGG. We need to learn more. So and now I learn in your event today. That's because I copied also in the future. So Coach M. Cobra Board, I copied for in the future. So no. So I will also invite you to our bonding session. Okay? So my parting word is, Alliance in Motion Global is here for us. Doc Ed will not leave us. Doc Ed will have more visions for us. No? So, Doc Ed have more innovations for us. So we need to learn. We need to